In today's video, I'm sharing all new outdoor hacks. Walmart has so many great products for your outdoor space. You can shop on walmart.com or you can shop in-app. Visit the Outdoor Oasis page on walmart.com for the latest summer items you can pick up. And I want to thank Walmart for sponsoring today's video. I love all of the new terracotta planters they have out at Walmart. Now let me show you an easy hack you can use whenever you're planting your flowers. It's great that you can buy your planters and your plants at the same location. So I love to take my planter outside and then I'm just going to place the plants in there and make sure they're going to look great. There's so many great planter hacks you can do. One of my favorites is to use a pool noodle to save money, and it also helps with drainage. So you can cut off pieces of your pool noodle and place them at the bottom of any planter. It's going to save you money because you're not using as much potting soil, plus provide that drainage with these holes. I had to pick up some potting mix and I really like this Miracle Grow one. I'm loving this new seed sower that I got on walmart.com. It's very sleek, so it's great for putting soil in here, but it's really good to get around the edges of your flowers if you need to plant. I'm gonna fill up the planter about halfway with potting mix. Now this is a hack you can try whenever you're planting your flowers. With all those pretty flowers that I bought, I'm gonna place them around my planter. Next, I'm going to fill in around the edges with my potting mix. Now the hack here is when you remove those flowers, you're going to have a nice holes that you can put your planter in, so you don't have to dig down to plant your flowers. Over in the outdoor section, Walmart has a lot of new items. This is probably the most popular right now. This is a viral plant stand that everybody's wanting to pick up, but you could use this in other areas of your house. Let me show you how you could use it in your home decor. It's really easy to put together. You just add on the legs and then you can style it with your favorite decor. This white viral planter is so good. I love the design on it. I'm definitely gonna pick it up to DIY the front porch. I'll add in these gorgeous shrubs to both of my white planters. Next, I'll put them on either side of my front door, and I'm gonna finish it off with this gorgeous rug. Here's the easiest way to fill up your cooler with drinks. Open up one side of your 12 packs and place it down into your cooler. Next, you're going to put your ice all around the outside. And then all you have to do is pull up on the 12 packs and all of your drinks will have ice around them and they'll be nice and organized. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is porch. If you don't like seeing your hose sitting outside, here's a hack. Grab one of these really cute planters at Walmart. Drill a hole in the side that's big enough for your hose to fit through. Next, you can set this planter next to where your faucet is, put the hose inside, and then anytime you need to use your hose, you can pull it out, and then when it's time to put it away, it's going to fit nicely in the planter. Or you could try this. You can use a dog collar to store heavy items in your garage, like a hose. Just place the dog collar around your hose and hang it on any hook. There's so many cute new items here at Walmart for summer. I just spotted these tablecloths. They're absolutely adorable. They're very inexpensive and they come in a bunch of fun patterns. But these cups, they're the outdoor kind, so they're not gonna break. So adorable. 2 different sizes, and then you also have one that's in like a darker opaque finish and a clear. I'm also picking up this indoor-outdoor dinnerware set by Pioneer Woman. I absolutely love the color. I also found this dinnerware set on Walmart.com in a 12-piece set. It's so easy to shop online. Remember when I showed you how to create an outdoor table using a Walmart planter and a pizza pan? That's one of my favorite hacks, and it looks so good on your patio. But if you're unable to find that viral planter, I wanted to come over here to the planter section and see if there was another planter that might work. So I went over and grabbed the same pizza pan that I used in that original hack, and I'm gonna look and see what planter is gonna work. I feel like this planter could work. It's going to hang over a little bit, but if you painted it white, it would be perfect. Let's keep looking. Okay, that one fits perfectly. This planter would be another great option. Pick up some placemats. Let me show you what you can do with them in your outdoor space. I'm gonna create an outdoor pillow with these 2 round placemats. These are so adorable. I also am going to fill it with some polyfill. So I'll start by placing the back sides together. I'll place hot glue around half of the placemat and place the other placemat on top. I'll fill it with polyfill and then I'll hot glue it the rest of the way. And then you have the perfect pillow for your space. Let me show you how to use your muffin tins for your next outdoor get-together. You can place all of your condiments inside here so that it's easy for your guests to serve themselves. You can save so much money by buying these inexpensive pillows in the outdoor section at Walmart. They come in so many different colors, patterns, and styles. I'm gonna link all the items below so you can shop at walmart.com, and make sure you subscribe because I wanna see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.